Hey, good morning, Tay. It's January 1st, 2010. You ready to show us what... Woohoo! Hi, Daddy. You ready to show us what you can do? Yeah, go for it.
Let's do it.
No hands from Daddy? Look at you. Hey, I want that. All by yourself? Doing a little lean?
I want that remote. Ooh, little hip thrust
Yeah.
thrown in there. It's not
Whoa,
bad.
whoa, but Daddy caught you. Daddy caught you.
Let's reset.
Hi, buddy. Are you gonna get that remote control? Yeah, there you go.
Close. You're so close.
It's right there, buddy. Hi, look at you.
Drive those hips.
You're doing such a good job. Look at you, all by yourself.
We're leaning. We're leaning.
All right. Well, thanks, Tay.
Yep.
I'll see you later.
That's just what we do, Mama.
See you later, alligator.